Garbage Family Show.
Hey Garbage Family Show friends, today I'm following my friend Jimmy around town. He's driving the awesome Spartan 300 garbage truck. This is going to be a fun day of following the garbage truck because not only do I love this truck, but there's also going to be several big messes you're going to want to see. So be sure to stay glued to your seat. Let's go. So far, so good. Gotta send it up again. Oh, something flew out. Not too bad, though. Look at that lid standing straight up. You don't see that every day. Up it goes. No problem. Another perfect dump, but this won't last for long. A full bin. No mess. Another full bin. Wow, it filled up the hopper and made a little mess. Here's a full one. Ooh, in the garage too. Sometimes, no matter how careful you are, that'll happen. Good thing I had my work gloves on so I could help. Jimmy is back at it with a perfect dump. Okay, on to the next round of bins. See anything interesting yet? That was smooth. This one was full, but no problem. Look at that one. No way Jimmy can get all that in the hopper. Impressive! Whoa, and another full bin. That hopper's getting full. Oh no! This happens sometimes when people overfill their bins. Let's see one more of Jimmy in the Spartan 300, and then I'll have some bonus video for you. Good job, Jimmy. You're awesome. Now for some bonus video with my friend Jeff. He's driving the N2 AMREC today. Another awesome garbage truck. Up it goes, no problem. But look what's next. Whoa, that is full. Slowly but surely, Jeff gets it in the hopper. And one more super full bin. I love full bins, but people really need to break down their cardboard boxes so it can be easier for the driver to collect it. Alright, that's it for today. Big shout out to Jimmy and Jeff, and big shout out to you for watching the entire video. You're awesome.